If you're a software engineer, computer science student, or someone who wants to improve their coding skill, learning data structures and algorithms is essential. ये concepts computer science का foundation form करते हैं और efficient, optimized code लिखने में help करते हैं. That's why we've put together a list of the best websites to learn data structures and algorithms. So let's get started. Our first recommendation is LeetCode, a platform that offers coding challenges and problems for users to solve. इसमें wide range of topics, including data structures, algorithms, and system design cover होते हैं. यहाँ पर solutions and explanations भी include किए गए हैं, जिसकी वजह से self study and practice के लिए ये एक great resource बन जाता है. For those who want a more comprehensive approach to learning data structures and algorithms, Geeks for Geeks is a great option. ये wide range of tutorials, articles, and videos offer करता है, जो basics to advanced topics सब कुछ cover करता है. The platform also includes coding challenges and a Q&A section where users can ask and answer questions. Another great option for learning data structures and algorithms is HackerRank. ये offer करता है coding challenges and competition, as well as tutorials and videos to help users learn the basics. The platform is used by businesses and developers around the world to assess coding skills and recruit top talent. If you prefer a more structured approach to learning, Coursera is a great option. इसमें उस फील्ड के leading professors and experts के द्वारा सिखाए गए wide range of courses on data structures and algorithms available है. The courses include video lectures, quizzes, and assignments to help users learn and apply the concepts. There you have it. Our top recommendations for the best websites to learn data structures and algorithms, whether you're a beginner or an experienced developer. These resources can help you improve your coding skills and stay on top of the latest trends and technologies, so go ahead and start learning today.